Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem a bit unconventional, but trust me, it's fascinating: the resurgence of toupees. Now, I know what you're thinking: who wears those anymore? But let me tell you, the world of hairpieces is experiencing a major makeover, and it's all thanks to a new generation of toupees that are more natural and undetectable than ever before. So, buckle up as we explore why these hair systems are making a comeback and how they're changing the game for men dealing with hair loss. First things first, let's talk about the history of toupees. You might have heard the term, but what exactly is a toupee? Well, it's a hairpiece that covers part of the scalp, and it's been around for centuries. From ancient Egypt to the 18th century, humans have been using hairpieces to enhance their look. But it wasn't until the mid-20th century that toupees became a popular solution for men dealing with hair loss. Time magazine estimated that over 2.5 million men in the US were wearing toupees back in 1970. But then, they faced a decline due to cultural ridicule and the acceptance of shaved heads in fashion. Now, fast forward to the present, and we're seeing a resurgence in toupees, but with a twist. They've been rebranded as hair systems, and they're designed to look more natural and undetectable. Fabian Martinez, a trichologist, explains that many men don't want to go bald and are seeking alternatives. Male pattern baldness is common, affecting 30 to 50% of men by age 50 and up to 80% over their lives. So, what's the solution? Well, it's a combination of special shampoos, creams, mousses, medication, and yes, even surgery. But hair systems offer an instant fix, and that's what's drawing people in. These hair systems are made of human or synthetic hair attached to lace or a skin-like membrane. They're glued to the skin and can be customized to match the wearer's hair color and texture. The best part? They're designed to last. Wearers can exercise, shower, and even go swimming without worrying about their hair system failing. And if you're thinking about a hair transplant, it's worth noting that hair systems can be a more affordable and less invasive option. Now, let's talk about the rise in popularity. Google searches for hair systems have skyrocketed, and Adrons, a leading manufacturer, reported a 43% increase in men buying hair systems in 2025 compared to the previous year. Social media is playing a huge role in this trend, with male hair transformation videos gaining traction. The Toupee Queen, Emily Alexis and Cheney, has amassed over 350,000 Instagram followers, with her videos showcasing men getting consultations and having toupees glued on. The reactions are overwhelmingly positive, with comments like handsome, natural, and amazing. One man, John McSherry, was inspired by these online videos to try a toupee. He explains how the befores and afters were eye-opening, showing how much of a difference a hair system can make. McSherry's barber, Thomas Robinson, has been offering hair systems for 2 years and has 40 customers on his books, each paying upwards of £600. Robinson highlights the natural look and feel of the hair systems, which have a less wiry texture and are more affordable than the past. Now, let's compare hair systems to hair transplants. Hair transplants have been in the spotlight, with well-known figures like Jimmy Carr, Joel McHale, and Wayne Rooney openly discussing their procedures. The cost of a hair transplant can vary widely, ranging from £1,000 to £30,000 in the UK. Turkey is a popular destination for cheaper alternatives, with procedures costing around $2,000. But hair transplants are surgical and come with risks, including bleeding, infection, and allergic reactions to anesthesia. They're also only suitable for pattern baldness, not conditions like alopecia areata. Surgeon Greg Williams discusses the pros and cons of hair transplants, noting that they might not provide the same level of thickness and density as hair systems. He recommends hair loss prevention medication for men with advanced hair loss. Williams also mentions that hair systems are part of the informed consent process for hair transplants, emphasizing that they can provide really thick, youthful hair. Now, let's talk about the practical side of hair systems. Paul McCafferty, from Edinburgh, opted for a toupee a decade ago due to cost concerns and the longevity of the results. He shares his experience, mentioning that his initial provider focused on profit over support, leading to pieces that lasted only a few months. But after switching to a new provider, he found synthetic hair systems that lasted almost a year. McCafferty's confidence has skyrocketed, and he's kept the secret from most of his family and colleagues. However, hair systems aren't without their challenges. In a boxing match, Jarrell Miller's hairpiece came loose and caused a bit of a stir. But it's important to note that proper maintenance can prevent such incidents. Gentle washing, professional removal and rebonding, or at-home removal and reapplication are key to keeping your hair system in top shape. In conclusion, the resurgence of toupees, or hair systems, is a fascinating trend in the world of hair loss solutions. They offer a natural-looking, affordable, and customizable alternative to hair transplants. As men seek to maintain their confidence and appearance, hair systems are providing a solution that's both effective and discreet. So, the next time you see someone with a full head of hair, remember that it might just be a hair system doing its magic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. See you next time.